Welcome back to my channel. Today we've got the hair up. It's pretty early in the morning, so I got some coffee as well. But today we're just going to do another little bold look, and if you want to watch me transform this mug, then just keep on watching. So we're going to prime these eyes with some Shape Tape. I'm just going to use a little sponge to blend it all in. We're going to be using the Ultimate Bright palette. I'm going to take the shade Slice of Lime on a big fluffy brush. I'm going to take the shade Oasis and run that a little lower in my crease. And we're going to go a little deeper into the shade Labyrinth. Now we're going to cut the crease with some ColourPop concealer. Now I'm just going to go like into Labyrinth right over the cut of the crease. Now I'm going to dip into the shade Hot Stuff. Now I'm going to go back in with that shade Labyrinth and just darken up this outer edge. Now I'm going to use my Milk Makeup Blur Stick. Now we're going to get this face painted with my Too Faced and my Becca combo. Now I'm going to use a little more Shape Tape. Now we're going to cream contour real quick. I wanted to say that I've been using a sponge to blend out my cream contour. I use the ABH foundation stick in Chestnut and a brush just for initial blending, and then kind of going over it with a sponge has been really working. I feel like it helps smooth the product out. I'm just going in little circles, and it also helps keep it from being too strong. Ophelia, stop the barking, ma'am. Now I'm going to take some Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is in the shade Light. And I'm using my Maybelline Super Stay powder to do the under eyes. And I'm going to sweep that under my contour. Now I'm going to do my ABH bronzer in Tawny. Now for blush, we're going to really go there. I'm going to use my ABH Cocktail Party Trio. Not everybody likes that sunburnt vibe, but I'm feeling a watermelon fantasy right now, so we kind of just had to take it there. I'm going to highlight with a little Ofra Star Island. Now I'm going to run some of that shade Labyrinth right in the lower lash line. We're going to smoke that out and further blend it with Slice of Lime. Now I'm going to do a quick little bit of liner. Now off camera, I'm going to pop on some NARS Climax mascara and a little Lily Lash, and I'll probably put a little NYX pastel green pencil in the waterline, and I'll be right back. Now I think what this look needs is a bright red lip, so I'm going to take my Rimmel Lasting Finish crayon in Red Dynamite. Now I'm going to take some MAC Russian Red. I haven't worn a red lip in a minute, girl. Well, this is the final look. I just did my brows with the ABH Brow Definer in dark brown. I almost forgot to highlight my cheekbones. I'm going to take my Stila Silver Lake Dew and just give us a little bit of glitter, something a little funky, a little fun. Now, not everybody likes a super glittery highlight, but when I like a little spotlight just beaming glow, I really like to use this. But this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching me turn into a little summery watermelon. I really think this is such a cute look, and while the blush looked really strong whenever I was putting it on, I feel like it just blends and it looks so good, especially with this lip. That is it for this video. As always, don't forget to leave me a little thumbs up and a like and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you on the next one.